What's up, YouTube? It's Double D here, coming at you with another question. And that question is, windscreens or no windscreens? Now, I like the way the bike looks with the windscreen, and I also like it the way it looks without the windscreen. But riding it long distances, or in, like today, it's 20-mile-an-hour winds, I don't feel anything on my chest, I don't feel anything on my helmet as I'm riding into the wind. And it has no effect on me at all. I can tell you the pressure, the holding on, I don't have any of the vibration in my hands anymore from me gripping so tight trying to hold on in these big winds. So I feel that it is a definite plus. Now, there are some windscreens that look completely awful. Like, I just don't like the way they look, and I may put pictures up, a couple of them here that I don't like. I just think they're just too gaudy, but they make a huge difference. I like the road glides and the street glides. Those fairings are great. They have great wind protection. But it's a big bike, and, you know, I'm into the sportier cruiser type of thing. I'm not a sporty cruiser guy, but I like that style. And I like my sporty. It's not fast by any means, but it is just fine for what I need at this moment in time. So, what do y'all think? Put them down in the comments below, let me know. And we are going to go ahead and enjoy the rest of this ride. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. If you like the sort of thing, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And it's fun. I enjoy doing this. I want to keep doing this. So keep it going. But guys, remember, ride safe, enjoy life. We'll see you on the next one. Later.